Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Xela stock. As I was saying the other day, that stock is going to start coming down. It exactly started coming down, but it had a good run pre-market today due to a catalyst that broke out. And I think that catalyst might mean something in the long term for the stock. Okay, the stock is down to 58 cents, my first demand level, as I have these levels here. This is from February, and what demand really is basically is where the buyers are sitting. And when the price get to that level, they think it's a good price to get the stock at that point. They come in and they buy it and it pushes the price up. What red line you see here, this is a supply level. And again, the supply levels are basically where sellers are sitting and they're saying, you know what, when the price gets to that level, I'm going to sell it and make profit. Or a short seller sitting here, they know the price is going to bounce down from there. So they basically go ahead and short sell the stock. Short selling off exchange is really high, and I'll show you guys in a second. And on like the regular short selling with the retail investor and all that, not a dark pool, it's about 7%. Dark pool is about 45% or so, and I'll show you that in a second. Let's take a look at the catalyst here. What does it say here? Xela Technologies announces updates to 2023 operational performance improvement objective. And how much are they going to do and how much they're going to save? Automation initiatives are leading to process improvement across operating functions, which are beginning to provide cost savings. Well, that's a good thing. You want to save costs, right? You want to be able to make money. You want to be able to generate cash. Right now, they are short of cash. Additionally, we have continued to execute cost management measures throughout the organization, and the team continues to expect revenue to stabilize. As we bring all these initiatives to fruition, we expect to improve operational efficiencies over time. This is what the CFO said. How much are they going to save? Xela expect savings in the range of 65 to 75 million in 2023. This is good. Because let's look at their cash flow right now real quick. 124 million is their expenses. They have about 45 million. They got 51 million 2-3 days ago, which puts them to like almost 95, 96 million. And if they can actually save that much money that they're saying they're going to save this year, which is 65 to 75 million, that puts them to another year, which means they won't be going bankrupt anytime soon. Okay, so that means that's good. If they can do that and they could prove that in their financials, then I could definitely see the stock going above $1. Let's take a look at the short interest. 7.91% is the short float. Again, the dark pool volume is 45%. And our dark pool is the volume which institutions trade. Usually they do it through the dark pool, because if they do it through a regular exchange, it's going to cause, it can cause a negative effect on the pricing. So that's why they keep it secret. They don't want to demonstrate, like, because they buy a large volume and that could really fluctuate the price. And they execute the orders in a way that is not impacting the price in a negative way. With that being said, again, the stock came down, but this catalyst, if they hold true and the 10 Qs come in next year and they could demonstrate that they're doing good and they're starting saving money, even like 10 million or 15 million for that matter, I think the stock could definitely go above 71 cents. But for now, I think it's going to come down. I do believe that it's going to go down to 51.47 levels. But we'll have to see and determine what's going to happen. So thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.